Hi friends, in this session we'll start with the chapter number 5, states of matter. आप सभी के पास इसकी DPP अवेलेबल है. Directly we'll start with question number 1 on your screen. You are given a photograph. Simplify कीजिए और कौन सा ग्राफ सही है. So V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2 at constant pressure. Put all this value, make a form of V2, and V2 is equal to 30.6 liter, and that option is C, Calcutta. Question number 2 on your screen. The volume temperature graph of given mass of an ideal gas, constant pressure as shown below. So you are given a graph. Straight away textbook का question है. A Ahmedabad is your right answer. Numerical number 3 on your screen. The inversion temperature Ti of hydrogen is given. Van der Waals constant A and B is given. So question number 3. Gas becomes cooler during this Joule-Thomson experiment only if they below this certain temperature known as inversion temperature. Inversion temperature क्या था, इसका definition आपको मिल गया. Basically simple equation है Ti is equal to 2A upon BR. A and B की value पता है. R is gas constant. Put all this value in equation and Ti calculate कर लीजिए and your answer is 220 Kelvin. So B Bombay is your right answer. Question number 4. The temperature of this gas is raised from 27 to 927 degrees Celsius. 2 से 3 साल पहले ही पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन है. So root mean square velocity is, 4 ऑप्शन आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर है. रूट मीन स्क्वायर वेलोसिटी का फॉर्मूला क्या है? U is proportional to under root T और U1 by U2 is equal to under root T1 by T2. Now T1 and T2 की वैल्यूज रख दीजिए, सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए, आपको रिलेशनशिप मिल जाएगा. U2 is equal to 2U1. So fourth answer is D Delhi. Question number 5 on your screen. Equal masses of methane and oxygen are mixed in an empty container at 25 degrees Celsius. The fraction of this total pressure exerted by oxygen is. 4 ऑप्शन आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर अवेलेबल है. Let the mass of methane and oxygen is equal to m gram. So mole fraction of O2 is equal to m by 32 divided by m by 32 plus m by 16. So you get 1 by 3. So the partial pressure of O2 is equal to total pressure multiplied by mole fraction. Simplify कीजिए and your answer is 1 by 3p. That is D Delhi is your right answer. Question number 6 on your screen. The ratio between this root mean square speed of H2 at 50 Kelvin and that of O2 at 800 Kelvin is. So the expression for root mean square speed is URMS is equal to under root 3RT by M. Hence URMS of H2 by O2, all the values are given. Simplify कीजिए and your answer is 1, that is C, Calcutta. Question number 7. Calculate the total pressure in a 10 liter cylinder which contains 0.4 gram helium, 1.6 gram of oxygen and 1.4 gram of nitrogen at 27 degrees Celsius. 4 ऑप्शन आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर अवेलेबल है. So correct answer is A Ahmedabad, that is 0.492 atmosphere. 8th स्टेटमेंट ऑन योर स्क्रीन. थ्योरेटिकल क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ही इजी, फटाफट पता चल जाएगा ग्रेहम्स डिफ्यूजन लॉ के हिसाब से. दैट इज रेट ऑफ डिफ्यूजन इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द 1 by molar mass under root. That is 1 by molar mass raised to half. So 8th answer is B, Bombay. 9th, important one, the root mean square velocity of CO2 at temperature T is x. At what temperature the RMS velocity of nitrous oxide would be 4x? So 9th on your screen, UCO2 is to U N2O is equal to under root TCO2 multiplied by MN2O divided by MCO2 multiplied by TN2O. Simplify करते जाइए and your final answer is A, Ahmedabad, that is TN2O is equal to 16T of CO2. So that's why 16T is your right answer. Question number 10 on your screen. Statement कम से कम 2 बार पढ़िए. कई बार इतने बड़े स्टेटमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करते हैं. न्यूमेरिकल बहुत ही ईजी है, बट स्टेटमेंट अच्छे से 2 बार पढ़ लीजिए. सो न्यूमेरिकल नंबर 10, you are given A and B. First is 2 liter, second is 3 liter. Na by Nb is equal to 2 by 3, and second के लिए N dash A by N dash B is equal to 3 by 5. Now mean molar mass, सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए, सारे वैल्यूज आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर अवेलेबल है. दैट इज 77 MA plus 123 MB divided by 200. That is B, Bombay is your right answer. Question number 11, बहुत इजी स्ट्रेट अवे क्वेश्चन है. D, Delhi is your right answer. 12th on your screen, for 1 mole of a van der Waals gas when B is equal to 0 and T is equal to 300 Kelvin, the PV versus 1 by V plot shown below. आपको एक सिंपल सा ग्राफ दिया हुआ है. 4 ऑप्शन आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर अवेलेबल है. So van der Waals corrected equation P plus A by V square into V is equal to RB. सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए एंड आंसर ढूंढ लीजिए. So you are given PV versus 1 upon V graph. Van der Waals corrected equation P plus A by V square into V is equal to RT. So PV is equal to RT minus A by V. It's just like Y is equal to MX plus C graph. So slope is equal to minus A. Now 21.6 minus 20.1 ग्राफ के ऊपर से एक्सट्रापोलेट कीजिए वैल्यूज and 2 minus 3. So is equal to minus A is equal to minus 1.5. So finally your answer A is equal to 1.5. Thirteen, as the temperature rises to this 20 to 40, the average kinetic energy of neon atom changes a factor. बहुत ही simple. A, Ahmedabad is your right answer. 14, maximum deviation from this ideal gas expected is, that is C, Calcutta is your right answer. Ammonia will show the maximum deviation from this ideal behavior. 15th statement on your screen, given data extract कीजिए. According to this Avogadro law, at the same temperature and pressure, volume is proportional to the number of moles. So N of H2 is equal to W by 2, N of O2 is equal to W by 32, N of CH4 is equal to W by 16. So ratio क्या मिल जाएगा? 16:1:2. Very easy, very simple. 16, equal moles of hydrogen and oxygen gas are placed in a container with a spin hole through which both can escape. What fraction of oxygen escape in the time required for 1/2 of this hydrogen to escape? So question number 16, Graham diffusion law. R of H2 divided by R of O2 is equal to V1 by T1 divided by V2 by T2. Simplify कीजिए. Your answer is 1 by 8. Question number 17 on your screen. सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए, सारे के सारे ऑप्शन अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए. सी कलकत्ता इज योर राइट आंसर. सो 17 इज सी. 18 once again molecular kinetic theory, that is B Bombay is your right answer. 19 according to Boyle's law, ग्राफ ड्रॉ कर लीजिए, आपको पता चल जाएगा. 19th is B Bombay. So 17th is C, 18th is B Bombay, 19th is B Bombay. Question number 20 on your screen. When CO2 is passed over a red hot cock, its partial gets reduces to the CO, and upon this passing 0.5 liters of CO2 over the red hot cock, the total volume of this gas increases at 700 ml. So the composition of this gaseous mixture at STP, चार ऑप्शन आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर है. थोड़ा सा लेंदी न्यूमेरिकल है, डिस्कस करते हैं किस हिसाब से सॉल्व करेंगे. So we'll start with CO2 plus C gives 2CO. Stoichiometric ratio क्या है? 1:2. So the initial mole of CO2 is equal to PV by RT से आप find out कर लीजिए. Make a form of N of CO2. 1 into 0.5 divided by 0.082 multiplied by 273 means N of CO2 is equal to 0.022 mole. So in final mixture number of moles, N of CO2 is to CO is equal to 0.031. Now increase this volume by 0.031 minus 0.022 जो आपने previously find किया हुआ है. तो डिफरेंस कितना आया? डिफरेंस आया 0.009 moles. So now equation turns. N of CO is equal to 2NCO2 minus N of CO2 is equal to 2 into 0.022. N of CO final is equal to equation number 2 derive कीजिए 0.044 minus 2N CO2 final. Now N of CO final plus N of CO final is equal to 0.031. Substituting all this value in above equation, volume of CO is equal to V is equal to nRT by P. So simplify कीजिए, वैल्यू रखिए, वॉल्यूम मिलेगा that is 0.40 liters. And volume of CO2 is equal to 0.7 liter minus 0.4 is equal to 0.3 liter. So CO2 is 300 ml and CO is 400 ml. So answer A Ahmedabad is your right answer. Question number 21. It's a theoretical question. Same to same derivation हमारे notes के अंदर भी दिया हुआ है. So फाइनल ऑर्डर क्या होगा? सी कलकत्ता 1:1.128 1.225. Most probable speed, that is C asterisk, that is C star, under root 2R by M. Average speed, that is C bar, that is under root 8R by pi M. And root mean square velocity is equal to under root 3RT by M. So C star is to C bar is to C is equal to under root. तीनों को कंपेयर कर लीजिए, सारी वैल्यू आपके पास अवेलेबल है. सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए एंड यू गेट योर रेशियो. 22 स्टेटमेंट ऑन योर स्क्रीन, वेरी सिंपल न्यूमेरिकल. गिवन डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट कीजिए, ग्रेहाम्स डिफ्यूजन लॉ के अंदर सारी वैल्यू डाल दीजिए एंड यू गेट योर आंसर. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस ग्रेहाम्स डिफ्यूजन लॉ, R1 by R2 is equal to under root D2 by D1. Rate of diffusion is equal to volume of gas diffused divided by time taken for this diffusion. So R1 by R2 is equal to V1 by T1 divided by V2 by T2 is equal to under root D2 by D1. Simplify. So molecular weight is equal to 2 into vapor density. So vapor density is equal to molecular weight divided by 2. So on calculating, V2 is equal to 14.1. That is B Bombay is your right answer. Statement 23 and 24 अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए. RMS वेलोसिटी वाले न्यूमेरिकल अवेलेबल है. फॉर्मूला के अंदर गिवन डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है और रखना है एंड यू गेट योर आंसर. So let's start discussing 23 and 24. RMS velocity is equal to under root 3 RT by M. V1 by V2 is equal to under root T1 by T2. So therefore T2 is equal to 4T1. So D Delhi is your right answer of 23. Same ditto to ditto numerical 24. VRMS is equal to under root 3 RT by M. So VRMS of O2 is equal to VRMS of helium. Simplify कीजिए, given data extract कीजिए, values put down कीजिए. T of O2 is equal to 2400 Kelvin. 25th is a derivation Z का. वैन डर वाल्स इक्वेशन आप सभी को पता है. वैन डर वाल्स इक्वेशन को सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तो फाइनली योर आंसर Z is equal to 1 minus A upon VRT. So 25th is B Bombay is your right answer. 26 statement on your screen. Simple Boyle's law apply करना है. Make a form of V2 and your answer is A Ahmedabad 1.750 liters. Statement 27 and 28 अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए. दोनों के दोनों इंटरेस्टिंग न्यूमेरिकल है. Let's start the solution of 27 and 28. So on applying Dalton's law, partial pressure of this component, mole fraction multiplied by total pressure. So the total pressure is equal to 10 atmosphere. So N of N2, number of moles of nitrogen, number of moles of O2, then mole fraction find out कर लीजिए. Simplify कीजिए. P of N2 is equal to 0.4 multiplied by 10, that is 4 atm, and P of O2 is equal to 0.6 multiplied by 10, that is 6 atm. D Delhi is your right answer. 28. Number of moles of A, that is Na, is equal to PaVa by RT, and moles of B, Nb is equal to PbVb by RT. So total pressure multiplied by total volume is equal to Na plus Nb multiplied by RT. So P is equal to 6.8. Partial pressure of A is equal to P into mole fraction of A. Simplify करोगे you get 4.8. So the partial pressure of B is equal to 6.8 minus 4.8 is equal to 2 atm. So P is equal to 6.8, P is equal to 4.8 is equal to 2 atm. Last two question 29 and 13 on your screen. दोनों के दोनों स्टेटमेंट अच्छे से दो बार पढ़ लीजिएगा. दोनों के दोनों न्यूमेरिकल इंपॉर्टेंट है. 29. Number of moles of O2 is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. Likewise, number of moles of neon given mass divided by molar mass. Next is mole fraction. Mole fraction means number of moles of O2 divided by total mole. So that is 0.21. So neon के हो जाएंगे 1 minus 21 is equal to 0.79. So final last equation, partial pressure of O2 is equal to mole fraction multiplied by total pressure. Likewise, partial pressure of neon is equal to mole fraction multiplied by total pressure. So your answer is D Delhi. Last numerical on your screen, 30th. V0 is equal to under root 2 RT by M. And URMS सारी वैल्यू आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर अवेलेबल है. Put all this value, simplify कीजिए, and your answer is B Bombay, that is under root 6 into V0. So this is all about your chapter number 5, states of matter. नेक्स्ट सेशन के अंदर हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 6, थर्मोडायनेमिक्स. So this is all about from my side. Thank you so much.